In this lesson, I will explain to you sort and filter operation in Microsoft Excel. So see here we have four columns: customer, sales, product and date. If you want to apply the filter on those columns, so first of all keep in mind whatever we do in Microsoft Excel, we have to select the data, right? And if you want to apply filter with the help of keyboard, you have to press Control plus Shift plus L. So see, Control plus L plus Shift I am pressing with the help of keyboard. Then you can see this symbol is there. Now we are ready to apply filter. If you want to remove this symbol, again you have to press Control plus Shift plus L on keyboard, right? Second way is in home tab and in editing group we have sort and filter. Open this and here you can see the filter symbol. Just click here, you will see the symbol is there. If you want to remove this symbol, open this arrow again and click on the filter. You can see here it is highlighted. When I click here, it is disappear from here. Third way is you have to click on the data tab, and in data tab in sort and filter again we have the filter symbol here. Just click here and you can see now we have a symbol here. It is not necessary that if you have put the symbol by using the data tab, you have to go to data tab in order to get rid of this. No, you can go to the home tab, you can open the sort and filter and then click on filter. From here you can see it's gone, right? So now you know three different ways. Now we are going to apply the filter because we have the symbol here. Open this. Before going to start, I will show you these are the names of the customer and these are written not in alphabetic order. See, Ashwaq, Manahil, Fahim and so on. If you want to arrange alphabetically, then you have to click sort A to Z. When I will click here, then you see Ahmad, Ashfaq, Fahim, and so on. The names are here. But the question arises that you can ask why Ahmad is at the top and then Ashfaq while both starts with letter A. If you have 100 names start with A, right, then system will check the second letter. Here we have only two names, then H and S, so H comes first, right, or H comes before S. That is why Ahmad is on the top, Ashwaq and so on. If you want to arrange these names Z to A, then you have to click here Z to A. Now we have the Jammul at the top, Taj, Sima and so on. Open this arrow again, sort by color. I will explain to you later on, right? Filter by color. Now if you want to see only those names which are written in the yellow highlighted cells, you have to click here. See, this is Irfan, Ashwaq and Ahmad. One more time, if you want to see, okay, then if you want to clear this filter, you can see this symbol is highlighted now. It was not there, it was dim before. So clear filter from the customer, all names are here. One more time, if you want to apply that this green, we want only the names which are written in the green cell, just click here and then all four names are there. If you want to clear the filter, second way is open this sort and filter and here you can see clear. So when I will clear, see, it's gone. It's not necessary that you can see only the green or the blue or the yellow ones. If you want to see a particular customer, yes, you can see here, see, select all is selected, just remove the sign. If suppose you want to see Fahim's data, just click on Fahim. Okay, then see, this is Fahim, sales is 6543, product mouse and date is 25th of March. Again, if you want to see multiple customers at the same time, you can click on the names and then we can have this data here. When I will open this arrow, you will see this is highlighted, so clear, and it's gone. So here the last one is text filter, equals, not equal, begins with. I will show you few and then you have to do it. So begins with, I want to see the names of those customers that starts with T. So I can write down T here and okay. So now we have only Tajammul and Taj. Right, open this arrow and then clear the filter. Now it is your job. I will give you this homework. You can practice. Equal to, begins with, end with, contains, right? If I will show you, contains means I will say if the name contains R, right? I will say R and then okay. So these are the names which contains R, not they start with R, they have an R letter anywhere in the names. Right, open this arrow, clear the filter. Now as I said that we will discuss sort by color later on, so here this is the green. If you want that my all green cells should be at the top, just select this and it is on the top, right? So same thing, if you want blue, yellow, whatever at the top, you can click here. If you want to customize sort, so click customize, then the window will open. So here open this arrow and which column you are going to apply this. I said on customer column, open this arrow and here is the cell values, cell color, whatever. I said cell color. In this time I said the yellow should be at the top. Open this and here we have two options on top and bottom. So I said yellow should be at the top and this is, see, now yellow at the top. Same sort, open this, here is the custom sort, click here and this window will open, just click sort. Right, again same thing here. I said the green, right, the green name should be at the bottom and this, open it, now we can have green at the bottom. How easy it is, right? Now it is not necessary that you can apply filter on customers. If you want, you can apply filter on sales as well. Open this. If you say that I want to see the sales from largest to smallest, this is largest to smallest. Sime has 14,357 and so on. If you want to see smallest to largest, so here Lara has 1234 and so on, right? Sort by color. Custom sort I already explained to you, right? Now you have to practice it. Product, open this product. Which product you are looking for? I said I only want to see the bottle. Click here and this, see, these are the two customers. Sale is this and bottle and the date is there. Open this arrow, clear the filter, right? Same thing for date and everything, right? Okay, now see, I say filter by, I can show you how you can apply two filter. Here filter by color, I said yellow, these are yellow and I want to see the sales, that is 3456. So 3456, if you want to see some particular sale, click here. So in yellow we have two customers whose sales is 3456. Right, so I hope the lesson is clear to you, right? Please practice it, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson and thank you.